Louis XV furniture stands as a testament to the refined tastes and artistic ambitions of 18th century France. Characterized by its graceful curves, intricate ornamentation, and harmonious proportions, this style emerged during a period of cultural flourishing at the royal court. The enduring elegance of Louis XV pieces lies not only in their visual appeal, but also in the craftsmanship and materials that elevate them to objects of lasting value. As we delve into the history and aesthetics of these antiques, we uncover how they reflect the ideals, innovations, and social dynamics of their era. Each piece invites us to appreciate the intersection of artistry and heritage that defines the world of collectible interiors. The Louis XV period heralded a dramatic departure from the rigid symmetry and formality that had dominated earlier European decorative arts. Designers began to embrace a philosophy that prioritized both comfort and aesthetic pleasure, resulting in interiors and furnishings that were more inviting and visually dynamic. This era saw the emergence of curvilinear forms, intricate ornamentation, and a sense of playful elegance, reflecting broader cultural shifts towards personal enjoyment and refined taste. The fusion of beauty with functionality not only transformed the appearance of objects, but also redefined the way people interacted with their surroundings, setting a new standard for luxury and innovation in the decorative arts. Louis XV furniture is renowned for its distinctive signature features, which reflect the artistic sensibilities of 18th century France. The curved lines and graceful silhouettes evoke a sense of movement and elegance, departing from the rigid geometry of earlier styles. Nature-inspired motifs, including delicate flowers, leaves, shells, and scrolling patterns, adorn surfaces and frames, embodying the Rococo fascination with organic forms. These elements were not merely decorative, they symbolized refinement and a harmonious relationship between craftsmanship and nature. Collectors and historians recognize these features as hallmarks of authenticity, revealing both the technical mastery and cultural ideals of the period. Louis XV furniture embodies elegance through a careful balance of visual harmony and refined detailing. The gentle curves of cabriole legs, the delicate interplay of gilded ornamentation, and the restrained use of floral motifs all contribute to a sense of effortless sophistication. Craftsmen of the period intentionally designed pieces to create inviting interiors, favoring proportions that evoke comfort without sacrificing grandeur. This approach results in spaces that feel both luxurious and approachable, reflecting the social aspirations and aesthetic ideals of 18th century France. Each element, from the choice of wood to the placement of decorative mounts, is orchestrated to achieve a seamless unity that defines the Louis XV style. The allure of antique furniture lies not only in its form, but in the extraordinary materials and craftsmanship that define its character. Exotic woods, such as mahogany, rosewood, and ebony, were meticulously selected for their grain and durability, often enhanced by the application of fine veneers. Gilded bronze mounts, known as ormolu, were skillfully cast and chased by artisans, lending a luminous accent to the finished piece. These objects were shaped by time-honored techniques, hand carving, marquetry, and lacquering that demanded both precision and artistry. Through such methods, ordinary materials were transformed into enduring works of art, each reflecting the ingenuity and cultural aspirations of its era. Louis XV furniture continues to command admiration among collectors and designers due to its refined craftsmanship and distinctive Rococo aesthetics. The intricate carvings, curved lines, and luxurious materials reflect both the artistry and societal aspirations of 18th century France. In modern interiors, these pieces are often used to introduce elegance and a sense of historical continuity, blending seamlessly with contemporary styles or serving as striking focal points. Their enduring appeal in the antique market is rooted in rarity, authenticity, and the cultural narratives they embody. For those versed in both history and design, Louis XV furniture represents not only a collectible asset, but a testament to the evolution of taste and craftsmanship. The legacy of Louis XV design endures as a testament to the artistry and sophistication of 18th century France. Its graceful curves, delicate ornamentation, and innovative use of materials continue to inspire collectors and interior designers alike. By integrating elements of this style into contemporary spaces, one not only honors its historical significance, but also enriches the atmosphere with a sense of timeless elegance. As we reflect on these masterpieces, we are reminded that each antique carries a story, inviting us to delve deeper into the rich tapestry of European decorative history. Exploring these traditions reveals how past craftsmanship shapes the aesthetics and values of our modern interiors.